Okay, good evening to everyone. Hello. Hello. So, good evening to everyone. Okay. So now we shall start homogeneous differential equation. So before discussing homogeneous differential equation, let us discuss homogeneous function. Okay. So what do you mean by homogeneous function? A function fxy is called a homogeneous function of degree n. If f kx ky equal k to the power n fx. This means if we replace x by kx, okay, of the given function, if we replace x by kx and y by ky, if that will convert into the form this k to the power n into given function, then it is a homogeneous function in x and y of degree n. So let us take one example. Suppose I will tell fxy is this much. So let us check whether it is a homogeneous function or not. Okay. And if it is a homogeneous function, then what is the degree? You see, if it is expressed in the form k power n, the degree is n. So what will do here? Replace this x by kx and y by ky. Okay. So now this right side x will be kx. So it will be kx whole square. This y will be ky whole square. Plus 2 into kx into ky. Okay. So now I can say this is a homogeneous function. Is a homogeneous function. Is a homogeneous function in x and y, in x and y, in x and y of degree 2. Okay, so how it is degree 2? Let us see. The reason is this one. Since f kx ky means you are replacing this x by kx, y by ky. Look here. After that you write, okay. Replace x by kx, y by ky. So right side x by kx and y by ky. Okay. Plot 2xy means 2 into kx into ky. Okay. So now this becomes f kx ky is equal to, this will be k square s square minus k square y square plus 2k into k is what? K square xy. Okay. Then after this becomes f kx ky. Okay. F kx ky is equal to, here is k square, here is k square, here is k square. So you can take common k square. Then you have s square minus y square plus 2xy. Okay. So you see what is s square minus y square plus 2xy? That is the given function, that is fxy. So now it is k to the power 2 fxy. Okay. So what I have told, if you replace x by kx and y by ky, if the given function will reduce to this form, that is f kx ky is k to the power n is the given function, fxy is the given function. So here it is k to the power n is the given function. Given function fxy is what? This one. Okay. So that's why it is a homogeneous function of degree 2. That I have written. And also we know previously we have discussed in determinants, that is test for homogeneous equations and non-homogeneous equations. By that time I have discussed what do you mean by homogeneous expression. If in each term the sum of the powers of the variable is same, that is called homogeneous expression, and what is the sum of the powers of variables in every term, that is called degree. So here you will observe here there are 3 terms. What is the sum of the powers of variables in the first term? Here x power 2, no y means y power 0. Y power 0 is 1. So s square into 1 is s square. So 2 plus 0, 2. Here x power 0, y power 2, 0 plus 2, 2. Here x power 1, y power 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So in every term sum of the powers of variable is 2. So that is straight you can say also it is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Understood? Are you clear? And this is another method to remember. You will replace x by kx, y by ky, and if that will convert it to the form k to the power into given function, then you will say it is a homogeneous function, okay, of degree n. Then after this go down. So have you got up to this, my dear students? Hello. Okay. So should I report this? Hello. Okay. So now how many participants are there? Hello. Okay. So let us see. You write a homogeneous function. After this write down a homogeneous function Okay, fxy, a homogeneous function fxy of degree n, okay, homogeneous function fxy of degree n can be written as, can also be written as fxy is equal to x to the power n into function of y by x. Okay, this is y by x. Okay, or you can write fxy is equal to y to the power n into function of x by y. So that means if the form is like this, listen to me. If the form is fxy is equal to x to the power n into function of y by x, so you can say it is a homogeneous function of degree n. Or fxy is equal to y to the power n into f of x by y. F of x is equal to function of x by y. It will express in terms of x by. Suppose I will say x by y whole square plus 2 into x by y. Okay, that is a function of x by. So function of y by x it will express as y by. Suppose y by x whole cube. Okay, plus 5 y by x whole square plus 1. So it will express as y by x whole cube. So that is a function of y by. If the form is like this, you can straight say it is a homogeneous function of degree n. If the form is like this, you can say straight say that it is also a homogeneous function. For example, earlier we have discussed that example. What example? fxy you have taken what? Tell me. S square minus y square plus 2x. Earlier we have taken this. So this you can express x to the power n. Suppose you take x square common here. So then it is what? 1. Here it is what? Y square by s square. Here it is what? 2x by s square. So that approximation becomes what? S square. Okay. Then 1. This is y by x whole square. And this becomes 2 into y by x. So now this is expressed in the form of s square. If this was this is expressed in terms of y by x, means it is a function of y by x. So here the given function is this one. So this we are able to express of this form. So it is a homogeneous function of degree n. So here x power what? 2. So degree 2. Are you clear? Not clear? So this is the other way. How can I identify whether the given function is a homogeneous function or this is another one. Okay, I mean you can replace x by kx and y by ky. If the right side will be k to the power n into fxy, that is a homogeneous function degree. That is one method which we have discussed previously. Okay, but suppose the form is like this, you can say this is a homogeneous function of degree n. Or it may be like this. If it is x to the power n, it is a function of y by x. If it is a y to the power n, it is a function of x by y, not y by x. Okay, so this you can write this fxy is what? S square minus y square plus 2xy. So here you will take common y square as common. Then what will get? This is s square by y square minus what? Y square by y square is what? 1. Are you clear? Not clear? This one not visible. Here you write s square into function of y by x. Where this is exponent of y by x. So now discuss this one again to this form. How it is one? Here you will take common y square. So this by y square. This will be 2x by y square. Okay. So now this becomes, after this I am going to here. So it is fxy is equal to y square whole into this is x by y whole square. Okay. And minus 1 plus here this is 2 into x by y. 2 into x by y. So now this is y to the power n into function of x y. Means it is converted to this form. So you can say this is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Because degree n, yeah, y power n into this means homogeneous function of degree n. Are you clear? Not clear? Hello, my dear students. So this is of the form y square into function of x by y. Because this is exponent of x y. That's a function of x y. Okay. So homogeneous function. How can you know whether the given function is homogeneous function? So 2y, 3y you can check it. Yeah? First method, that is replace x as kx and y as ky. So if it is converted to the form k to the power n into given function means fxy, then homogeneous function of degree n. Or it may be converted to this form x to the power n into function of y by x, then it is homogeneous function of degree n. Or it may be converted to this form fxy is equal to y to the power n into function of xy. This is also homogeneous function of degree n. Okay, so 3 ways you can identify. Okay, but the first method is easy. But suppose the form is directly given like this, then straight you can say homogeneous function. Okay, so let us say next you heading to write. So So should I report this? Hello, my dear students. Hello. Okay. So now rubbing this. Everyone taken? Everybody taken? Not taken? Hello. Hello. Everybody taken? Okay. Very good. Very good. So yes. So you should respond whenever I am speaking. You should respond. Okay. So that you can enjoy the video whenever I am making videos. Interaction there means you can enjoy the video. Okay. So let us write. Next heading write a differential equation. A differential equation. A differential equation. Okay, we write a differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to, okay, fxy by gxy, fxy divided by gxy. You write a differential equation of the form fxy by dy by dx is called a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, let us denote this equation one. Is called a homogeneous. Is called a homogeneous differential equation. Is called a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, homogeneous differential equation. If the RHS of 1, okay, if the RHS of 1 means this equation 1, okay, RHS of equation 1, RHS means right hand side, okay. If the right hand side of equation 1 remains same, or you can write remains unaltered, remains same if, okay, if x and y are replaced by, if x and y are replaced by kx and ky respectively, kx and ky respectively. Okay, that means you see, listen me mindfully. If the form is like this, dy dx is equal to fx means some function of xy, gxy means some function of xy. Okay, if the form is like this, so on the right hand side you replace x by kx and y by ky. So if the right hand side remains same, means it will be as before. Okay, so there you can say that is a homogeneous differential equation. Let us take one example. Suppose I will write, don't write this example, let us discuss problems, will be clear. Suppose my equation is like this, s square plus xy, okay, and here suppose I will write y square plus xy. Suppose my equation is like this, okay, or it is y square plus s square, okay. So now whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not, then how can you know? What will do? You replace this right hand side x as kx, replace x as kx and y as ky. So if the right hand side remains same, previous right hand side was like this. So after replacing this, if it is like this, then you will convert that it is a homogeneous differential. So now you see here you will replace this, it is kx whole square plus x is kx, y is what? ky. Don't write, just create understand. Whenever we have got problems, be clear. So this y square is what? Ky whole square. This s square is what? Kx whole square. So this becomes k square s square plus k square xy, and denominator is what? K square y square plus k square s square. Okay. So now from the numerator you can take common k square, then you have s square plus xy, and denominator you can take common what? K square, then you have y square plus s square. So now this k square get cancelled. So you see, you are getting the right hand side of the given differential equation. Right hand side given this one. So now here we are getting this one. Okay. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay. But suppose my equation is like this. You understood or not? Hello, my dear students. Hello. But suppose my equation is, don't write this example. Whenever you work out problems, you can confirm. Suppose my equation is like this. Suppose it is xy plus 1 divided by y square plus s square. Okay. So whether this is a homogeneous differential equation or not, how can you know? You will replace x by kx and y by ky on the right hand side. If the right hand side remains same as before, okay, then only homogeneous differential, otherwise not homogeneous. So here if you replace x by kx, the right hand side becomes what? Kx, then y is what? Ky, then plus 1 by this y is ky, x is kx. Okay, so you can write like this. So now the numerator is k square xy plus 1 and denominator is k square y square plus k square x square. Okay, so now this becomes k square xy plus 1. Under denominator you can take common k square, then you have y square plus s square. So now you see, so are you getting the numerator? No. Such right hand side of differential? No, because this k square into x means suppose here you take common k square, then you can write what? This will be xy plus 1 by k square. Xy plus 1 by k square, because k square into xy, this one will multiply, k square with this is 1. So then k square get cancelled, so it is xy plus 1 by k square by this, but here it is xy plus 1. So here you are not getting the right hand side same. It will replace x by kx and y by kx. So this is not a homogeneous differential equation. What I told, understood or not? Yes. Hello, my dear students? Hello? So what will do? You replace x by kx of the right hand side and y by ky. Okay? So if the right hand side remains same, right hand side means it is of this form. D of x is equal to something by something. Some function of x. This is function of x. This is of xy. This is function of x. Okay? Okay? If it remains same, then that is a homogeneous differential. From that you will conclude. Okay? Okay, so this is one definition, and another definition I will tell you later. Okay, first of all you take it. After this you take it. Then you write the substitution y is equal to vx. The substitution, after this you write the substitution y is equal to vx. The substitution y is equal to vx. We will leave the right hand member. Of the substitution y is equal to vx. Okay. Or you write to solve. Better write this. To solve the homogeneous differential equation. The homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. Okay, put y is equal to vx. Then after that you will get a dy is equal to independent both sides, and that you put here, and after this will convert to a linear differential equation. Okay, and a linear differential equation we know. Okay, so that I will tell you by means of problems how it is solving. So we shall discuss one problem, then after that I will immediately. Okay. And sometimes you can also take x is equal to by. Yeah? The substitution x is equal to by. So you write after this the substitution x is equal to by. Yeah? The substitution x is equal to by. Okay. The substitution x is equal to by will give an easy solution. Will give an easy solution. Will give an easy solution in certain problems. Involving x by y. Involving x by y. Suppose I will say a question in the form e to the power x by y or sin of x by y, like that. So in that case, you will take a x is equal to by. When you will work on the problems, you will be confirmed. But how to know whether the given differential equation is homogeneous or not? So this is one method. What I told: replace x by kx on the right hand side, and y by ky, if the right hand side remains same, then that is a homogeneous difference. That is one method. Another method I am going to tell you. So I have taken all this. Hello my dear students. Hello. Okay, so let us discuss the problem. Sorry, let us discuss another way of knowing whether the given differential equation is homogeneous or not. So you write after this down another method to know whether the given differential equation, whether the given differential equation is homogeneous or not, or not. Okay, so let us write down another method to know whether the given differential equation is homogeneous or not. So what is that method? So that method is that you write a differential equation, okay, of the form, okay, dy by dx is equal to fxy, okay. Fxy means it is function of x and y, okay. Is said to be homogeneous. Is said to be homogeneous. If fxy is a homogeneous function, of degree 0. Fxy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. That means if this right hand side is what? Fxy. If it is a homogeneous function of degree 0, so then that will be also a homogeneous differential equation. Okay? Are you clear? Not clear? Hello? And to solve the differential equation, that substitution is same. What I have told previously. You will take put y is equal to bx. Okay? So substitution. The substitution of y is equal to bx. Okay? Will give the solution. And in some cases, okay, the substitution x is equal to y will give the solution. So according to the question, that is, you will take y is equal to bx, or in some cases x is equal to bx. So let us solve one problem, then your fundamental will be clear. Okay, so let us write a question, then we shall close this section. So I put again, hello my dear students. Hello. Okay, so I'm stopping here, not stopped here. Okay, so after this we shall discuss problems. Okay, the theory portion is over, so then we shall discuss problems. Okay.